So I'm out here on this Honda that was previously worked on before at another body shop. It's inside this body shop, and somebody put contaminated refrigerant in there, or they put 134 in there. I'm going to test for 134 right now, so I'm going over to the 134 instead of, because this is a YF vehicle. And so I have it backed off, I have it's connected. We're going to go through the calibration again, and we're going to test for Y4. So notice a few of the things, and the body shop is notating anything to protect their reputation from shoddy work from the shop that worked on it before, and like not tightening down the battery. They found some cables missing over here, possibly from whoever worked on it before, never hooked up the side markers. Like the little metal tie strap holding down the temperature sensor there. So yeah, we were at one of those high quality shops, and so let's test this and we'll see if it comes out as 134. So the customer paid for YF refrigerant, right? But somebody sticks another refrigerant in there. Let's see what happened. So for some reason this customer didn't go back to the other body shop, and I could see why. And now I just gave them evidence of what somebody did, and I'm going to notate the wrong refrigerant was in here. Who knows what oil was in there. It was contaminated with air. So I'm telling them no warranty guarantee at all whatsoever of possible damage. And since this was just came from another body shop, and I'm gonna weigh out the charge and see if they even charged it correctly. So yeah, we're gonna go bust somebody for doing hack work. And let's see, comes up as 134. As you can see, it's going through its testing mode right now. You're watching this live. Results, let's see what results are. Yes, they stuck 134 in there. So what they did was they got a set of 134 fittings with adapters, did the old hack-a-can, because I seen when I looked inside, it had a slight greenish inside of it, so they probably got the cans that have the dye in it. And I do see, it looks like a little oil staining right here. I'm gonna get my UV light and see if I can pick up anything right here on this brand new condenser. All right guys, and this is why you own one of these, because you have 30 pounds of recovered refrigerant in your big RR&R machine, recovery, recycle, recharge machine, and your technician would have hooked up to one of these because he doesn't own one of these, and he would have recovered this R134 and mixed it with all your YF refrigerant and contaminated your entire tank of contaminated refrigerant. This is why you own one of these, and this is why we have to go out of our way to turn in and get rid of hack shops who do work like this. All right, see you guys. Let's do our job and get rid of hack shops.